All right. Do it. And you know how it went on. You take the lead. Do the star. I'm gonna put this. Make sure it's. All right. That's how you do it. It's the future. Okay, yeah, that's how it does with the tire. Alright, this goes in the top there. Oh, you didn't put the bottom? Down there underneath, and then you tighten this up. Goes right there. That one goes up here. There, you want these to be straight, and that kind of that angle a little bit to the side. And then you put your bikes up here. Last time I believe we had this here, but it's working just as well right here. And this, we had to put this, don't pinch your fingers, but we had to put this in there. Yeah, it folds up in the holes. Same with that. Alright. Alright, we're putting a bike up there. Okay. People get to see how it actually goes on. That's the whole point of pretty much all these videos. If you get a basic idea of all the stuff involved before you actually have to go in and do it yourself. Oh, okay. And the same thing with this. These go down and up and around. This one comes up.
The stuff's in the way.
All that stuff's in the way. Okay, still right here. There we go. As long as you get the air here, but you can adjust it. You can tighten this more. Okay, I'm recording. Yeah, it's recording. Okay. That's it. Another Mad Human Pizza video. Welcome to another Mad Human Pizza video. I do these videos, get people, they watch me. Let's get this back here. We're gonna do a video on the Toyota CHR, C8, whatever it is, and then the Toyota RAV4. So this goes on the back. Goes on the back, and this has the wheel here, the extra wheel, which gives it a slight difficulty, but there is a way to put it on there. We've tried it. We got it on there. I say we because me and my woman partner here, we're going to put this on here, and then we're going to put on the other car too. So without further ado, let's get this bike rack on. Let's get to it. Let's do it. The dresser drawer, here it is. This is part of the bonus video. Isn't that cool?